All right, Ricky, you finna be in the next one? I'm a high boy. See that drink?
Oh, you know what I'm saying? That purple shit, you know what I mean? Yeah.
Huh?
What do you eat to get that big?
What do I eat?
Yeah.
Pussy.
What'd you say?
It's a lot of protein, you know?
Yeah. Like what?
Like steak.
Steak?
Yeah.
But I heard you say pussy.
Nah, pussy. I mean steak.
Fucking lying this bitch.
Nah, for real, like steak.
You know what I eat? Fucking pussy.
Right now we finna go set up our fucking shit. So then,
Damn, what you say?
I forgot the name.
We finna eat today, huh?
Heavy. What the fuck?
Wait.
My dude took a bite out of it.
He took a bite out of that bitch. I'm getting hungry. We got 100 chicken nuggets. We finna do that challenge real quick.
There's a lot of sauce on there. I feel like
We
it's
got
not
all
enough,
that
though.
sauce.
I feel like that's not enough for 100 though.
And we just got one large fry. It's just, you can't eat it. And then we got
You
that.
like barbecue sauce on your food?
Me and Lindsay were laughing at Marlon. This girl said some, can I get some ranch and some buffalo sauce and some barbecue sauce? And do you have honey mustard?
No, ketchup. Because I don't want honey mustard.
And ketchup.
I don't like
Can I
honey
get ketchup too?
Sorry, that's not healthy. You have to go to the gym afterwards.
We're going to the gym after this?
Yeah.
You can bring
Okay.
Marlon.
Alberto, you go to the gym?
Yeah.
Yeah, what the fuck?
Wait, for real?
Yeah.
Look at me.
He needs some
Can I not?
Okay.
Wait, what is he showing us?
Ready,
Yes.
set, go.
Go.
Fuck you, Zach.
Come on, Zach. You better beat him.
Hold on, man. Yeah. I feel like I'm
Unless you want
finna lose.
bosses.
I can't talk.
I believe in you, Hawk.
Unless you want your dad to beat your ass after you get those piercings.
Marlon, what the fuck?
See? I'm supporting him.
Bro, maybe Zach will finally learn to count. Man,
Damn, bitch, I'm
I
only at 15. Fuck.
What you gonna do?
Beto said some.
But then you forget
Beto said some, bro, I'm at
count.
3. Beto, hurry up.
I'm trying.
Zach, take another drink.
You're right. This is my first meal today, boy.
What?
I had like 5 times already.
You got 20, Zach.
Hell yeah.
Well, 19 actually.
Bro, Alberto, just swallow.
That Zach, do 2 at a time.
Easy for you to say.
Got him!
Drink something afterwards. And then take a drink afterwards.
Do that. Alberto, do that.
No, you can't copy our strategy.
Okay, then do 3, bro.
You finna die right.
Did he threaten to send you back to Syria again? How many times has he threatened you with that?
Maybe like twice a week.
What about your mom? She's like, Zachary, you need to get back with the program.
Shut the fuck up.
The white in him popped out. Zach already done finished the other box, bro.
Hopefully y'all don't finish.
Bro, how
it
y'all
at
eat
one
so
time.
damn slow?
What was that?
Shut the fuck up.
I was gonna say I love you, bro.
That shit was good as fuck on like the first
The first one?
like 5.
First 5.
Bro, Zach, you remind me of a Teletubby. Bro, Alberto, how you go to the gym and come back scrawnier?
Son of a bitch!
Yeah.
I thought she was a muscle.
Somebody toss it over here.
Oh yeah, stop!
Stop it. How many do you have left?
I have 1, 2, 3, 4,
5,
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Alright, you ate
Bro, you
31.
got 1 nugget.
31.
How one by one?
31 nuggets.
Fucking pussy.
Motherfucker.
Let's go pierce that shit. Come
To
on.
call you a friend.
You don't want a picture.
I feel like I'm feeling slow.
It's disgusting.
We don't have more ranch.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Lick, I wanna eat your dick.
What the f? Bro, take that camera off. Take that shit off.
Oh,
Take that shit off right now, bro.
Oh!